Ever feel like all these digital dentistry are just a giant puzzle that nobody gave you instructions for? And with every company trying to sell you another piece of equipment and their workflow just to leave you more confused. So then you get online, do some research just to watch how every other implant doctor is using a different set of tools, scanners, printers, even screws for the same thing you're trying to do. So many options and workflows to choose from when all of them are claiming to be the best and the most accurate. It's
frustrating.
Oi! Well, you are not alone. I'm Dr. PeyRay, and I've been exactly where you are. I've been doing full mouth for more than a decade. Started with analog. Hell, I even taught analog here at the office for a few years before switching to digital 7 years ago. So I have been through the growing pains of spending thousands of dollars for equipment, building an in-house lab, dealing with complications when things go south for the patient is not pretty. It's painful, especially when your front office comes to tell you,
Miss Karen called and said her teeth fell out last night eating sweet baked potatoes.
when can we schedule her, doc? And now you're like,
Fuck me.
let me call the lab. Hey, China, remember Karen?
Yes.
Well, her teeth fell out this morning. What do we do now?
3 weeks.
Okay. That shit sucks for you and your patient experience. I've been digital for 7 years and I have made every mistake you can think of, surgically and prosthetically. And I've been able to turn all that complexity of digital workflow into a one-day crash course where I help you simplify that whole maze by showing you the ins and outs of what it's like to be fully digital and show you how to avoid complications.
So what are you going to cover that day, bro?
I start intro with the marketing. How do you get the patient to come to your office? Then we get into the consultation. What to look for? How does FP1 look different than FP3? How do we see the teeth in a patient's face when we look at them for the consult? All the behind the scenes that you won't get anywhere else. How does the lab get all these alignments? I'm gonna cover so many different techniques that you could capture the bite, the 3D printed temporaries. This time, I'm gonna give you all the complications, everything that can go wrong with the prosthetic, and how to solve them. See, there are many ways to skin a cat. Ow! Sorry, Garfield. It's not about what you use. If you understand the principles, then you can apply them to any of the tools, analog or digital. I'm only here to guide you through the digital journey. You won't have to go through the headaches of decision making, of what scanners, what photogrammetry, what printer do I need, doc, and what workflow. I've had the privilege of sharing this crash course in Boston, Miami, Philadelphia, Dubai, and even Sydney. 2026 is bringing a whole new wave of updates, and I'm kicking off the latest and greatest version of this course right here in my hometown, Music City, Nashville, Tennessee, on February 27th. Every one of the crash courses is sold out so far, and I'm proud to say I'm sponsored with some great companies to do this. The early seats are gonna be gone before you know it. Click the link below to sign up because the seats are gonna be gone and give you CEs.